Greetings. Hi. Welcome back to the second session of coterminal angles. In our previous video, we had a discussion about coterminal angles, and I mentioned something about reference positions of angles. That is to say, in which direction is an angle taken as positive and in which direction is an angle regarded as negative. So standard convention is that anti-clockwise angles are positive and clockwise angles that move in the same direction as clocks or watches are negative. Okay, cool. And we also learned that from the previous video. We also learned that an angle has an initial side, and a terminal side. And that an angle that shares the same initial side as that of a given angle or as that of a given reference angle is known as a terminal angle. Alright, so terminal angles share initial side and terminal side. Cool. So let's do some applications. Let's do some examples, some activities. Alright. I just write below this. Let's just draw this line here. Let's examples. Let's do some examples. Example 1. Okay. Right. Example 1. Second example. Let's put it in the second quadrant. Degree in the second quadrant. Right, let's have the third example. Let's make it red this time. Third quadrant, same angle, like third quadrant. And fourth one. Oops. Which one? Fourth example would be in the fourth quadrant. 30 degrees. Alright. Let's try these activities. Question would be something like, okay, find the two, or maybe find the coterminals of the given angles. Okay. Oops, sorry. Alright, let's. Oh boy, what's going on here? Come on, pen, work with me. Come on, buddy, work with me. Okay. Someone is misbehaving. Alright, there we go. Okay, cool. Alright, first example. Let's get the coterminal of the angle in the first quadrant, angle 30. So given reference angle 30 degree, get the coterminal. Alright, quick question. Let's quick question. Is it a question? Which angle shares the initial side and the terminal side with angle 30? Well, it will be an angle that starts from the same starting point as that of 30 degree and terminates at the same position, angular position as that of 30, and we'll name this angle alpha. So to get alpha, we see that 30 is anticlockwise and alpha is anticlockwise. So to get alpha in an anticlockwise direction right away, we would subtract 360 from 30 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 30, that will give us negative 330 degree. So if we wanted to plot this right away, just plot it quickly just to confirm that it is so. 330 will move in that direction all the way. Negative 330 will be that angle right there. So yeah, that's the coterminal. Another coterminal would be from the very same position in the same direction, which is anti-clockwise, but just above 360. So let's call this one coterminal 1, coterminal 2. Coterminal 2 will be 30 degrees plus 360 degree. It gives us 390 degrees. Right, 390. So cool. There we go, two terminal angles. Yeah, and so on and so on. If you wanted to get another one, we would say, what is this? In this case, you would say, okay, 360 times 2, that is 720. So 720 minus 390 give you another coterminal angle. Let me just sketch that. I'm side tracking now, which is not what I'm supposed to be doing. But what's going on here? Why am I doing this? Okay. 360 plus 360, 231 is 720 degrees. So 720 will be something like this if we were to draw it. 360 all the way 720. So if I have a reference angle of 30 degrees. Okay, this is 720. So I can just add add 30 degrees to 720. That will give me a third coterminal angle, 750 degrees. Or I could subtract 720 from 30 degrees. That will give me a fourth coterminal angle, which will be 30 degrees minus 720. 120, 700 minus 10 gives us 690 degrees minus 690. Okay, and so on and so on. So right here we see, okay, alright, let's discuss what we have observed here. Okay, right here we see that if you want to get a coterminal angle, 1, coterminal n, let's write a generic formula. Coterminal angle would be equal to your reference angle minus, if you want to get a counterclockwise coterminal angle, of the angle in the first quadrant, okay, minus 360 times n, where n can be a number of integers from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, I'm side tracking right now, and theta 360 times n, and this, if you want to get 1 that is clockwise, that is in an anti-clockwise direction, this one gives you a clockwise direction, which is negative. Okay, we're out of time. I'll finish the rest of exercises in the next